Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Android Studio and loading the app module. Make sure the project builds. Once done, confirm the target SDK and active build variant so icons match the correct flavor. Now navigate to app/src/main/res and expand the mipmap */drawable* folders where default launcher icons live. This gets you straight to the files you will replace and prevents mismatched sizes or density problems later. You should create adaptive icons, a foreground layer and a background layer, or a full bleed image plus an XML mask. This ensures modern launcher compatibility. Next, use Image Asset Studio, right-click Res, choose New, then Image Asset, and pick Launcher Icons, Adaptive and Legacy. Make sure to import your artwork, set trimming and padding, and generate resources for MDPI through XXXHDPI. Once Image Asset finishes, confirm files appear in the appropriate mipmap and drawable folders. You now update the Android manifest. XML to point Android, icon and Android, round icon to the new at mipmap / your icon name. This makes the launcher use your resources. After saving, clean and rebuild the project, then install the app on a device or emulator to inspect the icon in context. If the old icon persists, make sure to clear the launcher cache or uninstall any prior app version. Sometimes launchers cache icons. If issues remain, recheck resource file names and density folders for mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.